Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a meeting in Google Meet. So let's start. All you have to do is just be in Google Meet, and it's like really simple. Now when you're going to click new meeting, you have options to get a meeting link to share or start an instant meeting. When I'm going to create a meeting link to share, I can copy it and then I'll just paste it to the next tab. And the camera is starting right now, so this is the meeting and you can see me through the camera right now. When I'm going to be ready to join, no one else is here yet. I will click join now. And voila, now you can see me like clearly in Google Meet. I can turn off the camera, I can turn off the mic, so not like no one will be able to hear me. I can simply show everyone. And I can simply add people here by email, etc. Like really simple and really easy. Now you can also like chat with everyone. Also pretty simple. You get like meeting details here. You can copy joining info. Or I have some attachments here. Google Calendar. Then I can present. I can go full screen. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support in it. Have a great day and goodbye.